This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Start with your left foot forward, knees bent as you lean forward a bit with your left arm behind your back and your right arm horizontally in front of your chest. Step back on your left foot, then hop in place on your left foot as you bring your right knee up and swing both arms up and in so that they cross above your head. Bring your right foot back down with your knee pointing to the right as your arms swing down as well, then continue swinging your arms out to either side. Turn your knee back in as you bring both arms horizontally in front of your chest with your palms facing up and your left forearm over your right forearm. Curve your right hand inward over your left arm, then turn your left arm and move it forward a bit so that both palms face down with your hands near your elbows and your right arm closer to your chest. Pull your elbows out to either side, keeping your hands near your chest with your palms facing down. Lift your right knee up and turn slightly to the right as you pull your right elbow up and back. Lower your right foot and move your right arm to its previous position as you repeat this movement with your left leg and arm, ending by facing to the left with your left knee bent in the same direction. Move your right arm back behind your head, then bring it up and over your head until it is back in its previous position as you bend your knees a bit more. Pop your chest once while straightening your knees slightly before bending them again. Turn your left knee so that it is straight and turn your right knee to the right as you look to the right and extend both arms out to either side and down, palms facing out. Pop your chest twice. Turn your right knee back in. Extend your right arm down and to the left while bringing your left hand near your right bicep. Bend your right arm to bring your hand near your left bicep so that both elbows are pointing forward. Flip your arms over so that your palms are facing up and your right forearm is crossed over your left forearm. Then pull your elbows back so that your forearms are near your sides. Keeping your arms in position, bring your right knee up, then back down 4 times.